Looking at the budget 2025, there are three broad themes that I'm expecting. One is for the proposals to support the slowing growth of the economy in last 2 quarters. The second would be around supporting the employment generation and the skill development. And the third would be to make sure that there's FDI momentum that continues in the economy in coming months. And it's fair to say that all the tax proposals would be tailored around these three broad themes. If I talk about the tax proposals, first expectation would be to try and see if the government can actually reintroduce the lower tax rate of 15% for manufacturing sector and for some of the other sunrise sectors. The second would be should the government bring back the lower tax rate for the long-term debt financing, especially to support the very heavy capex intensive large infrastructure projects. Third expectation would be to relook at a tax policy itself and see can the government bring back, or rather can the government introduce a group taxation regime for the corporates, and if it can't be done across the board, then can we start with the infrastructure sector group taxation.